At Prototype Projects, we're proud to offer a range of finishing options for our SLA 3D printed parts. One question we often get asked is, can I have painted SLA parts? Yes, absolutely. Our painted SLA parts can be hand-painted with meticulous detail or sprayed using a high-quality, automotive-grade 2K paint. But what about color options? How do you choose? We'll offer a wide range of colors, and you can choose by providing us with existing samples or referencing. RAL, Pantone, RGB, or hex colors. So, what about accuracy? While thickness may vary slightly due to hue and application, our team masks parts to ensure paint is only applied where required. How long does it take to paint parts? We typically request a minimum of 3 days to dispatch painted parts, allowing for print time, sanding, priming, painting, and full curing of the paint. Now, you might wonder about the strength of the paint. We use automotive-grade paint, ensuring durability comparable to that of your car's paint. But what's not possible? While we can achieve impressive finishes, replicating metals like aluminium can be challenging. While close, it may not perfectly match the real thing. So when it comes to painted SLA parts, the possibilities are endless. Please get in touch with the team to discuss your SLA painting needs.